How to log in HSBC Bank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in HSBC Bank online banking. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device. That might be Chrome, Safari, Firefox or anyone. For now, let's open Google Chrome. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and you have to type in the URL hsbc.uk.co.uk. After you type in this URL, simply press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will be taken to the official interface of HSBC where you have to first manage the cookies. And then after that, when you land on the section at the top, you will need to choose the type of account. And then after you chosen the account type, click on log on button at top right corner of the screen. Then you will access to the login section of HSBC online banking where you have to enter your username. If you can't remember your username, you can select forgotten your username at bottom left corner of the screen and then easily recover from there. After you enter your username, if you wish to remember, you can check mark this small box next to it so that you won't need to enter your username next time. After that, click the continue button here and then you'll be taken to the other page where you have to enter your password, and after entering all your login credential, you will easily log into your online banking of HSBC. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.